Hello, good evening, and this is the demo for my STEM project, which is a car safety app designed to notify the parent if they left their child inside their car. So this project has mainly two parts. The first is the app or client that will reside on the parent's device, such as a phone or a computer, and the second is the server, which will reside in also a computer such as a laptop or Raspberry Pi, and it will stay inside the car. The server works using the camera and a microphone. It uses the camera to recognize faces, and it uses the microphone to recognize loud noises, both of which are signs that a person is inside their vehicle. So now I'll just run the app. This app can run on
Please turn
iOS.
up your volume. You will receive alerts like this.
So this app can run on iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, or Linux. It can run on any operating system. And as you can see, it gave us a text to speech message reminding us to turn up the volume, because when the server signals to the app that a child has been detected, it will play a similar text to speech message. So now I'll run the server. So when you run the server, it will give you an IP address which you can use to connect to it from the app. So since I'm running these both on the same computer, I can use this special IP address to connect to it. And when you connect to it, it will automatically start looking for faces and loud noises. And it has a feature where it can recognize trusted adults. You can provide it faces of trusted adults, and it will automatically learn to differentiate from the adults and from the strangers or children. So when I show it an unauthorized face or a child, it while a guardian is on screen on camera, it will not trigger because it knows that the child is safe with the guardian. But if I don't have my face on the camera,
Warning. A person was detected in your vehicle. I repeat, a person was detected in your vehicle.
then the server knows that the child is probably not safe, and it will automatically signal to the app that a child or person was detected. So that is how this project works. It also has the microphone feature, but I can't show it right now because I'm speaking and it will keep triggering and interrupt me. So this app and project was also made using Python 3, which is a general purpose programming language. It's great for many things, and also was made using a module for Python called Kiwi, which is used to make really good uh, graphical user interfaces. And the graphical user interface that you just saw, that is a great example of what you can really do with Kiwi. And also used socket module to make HTTP connections between the app and the server. So that is my STEM project for car safety app, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.